Amplus Energy Solutions provides environmentally friendly power and energy management solutions to industrial and commercial customers in India. Amplus installs distributed solar generation plants on rooftops and on surplus land for high-quality corporate customers and sells the power generated under long-term power purchase contracts. Amplus invests 100% of the upfront capital requirement, undertakes all the operations and maintenance, monitors generation through our remote operations center, and offers the end customer hassle-free savings on their power purchase cost compared to grid energy.
Basically, when we started at Amplus Solar, we were always wondering about how we can help people meet their energy needs.
Amplus has completed India's largest captive solar rooftop plant of 4.13 megawatt at the Yamaha factory near New Delhi. This plant, over its lifetime, will save 138,000 metric tons of CO2, that is equivalent of planting 172,000 trees. The 13,000 panels installed were manufactured by Canadian Solar and generate over 6 million units of electricity every year. The DC power generated by the solar panels is converted to AC by 3 inverters manufactured by Japanese JV of Toshiba and Mitsubishi. The solar power is then synchronized with the main power supply from the grid and helps Yamaha meet almost 15% of its annual energy requirement at this facility.
As part of corporate social responsibility policy, Yamaha is committed to adopt environmental friendly and energy efficient technologies.
The power generated by solar plant is used by the Yamaha factory for all industrial applications running heavy machineries and motors and is indistinguishable from the power supply from the grid. On Sundays, when the factory load is low, the excess power is sold back to the grid under a net metering arrangement.
Yamaha has always believed in investing in environment-friendly technologies. Globally, we are targeting an annual 1% reduction in CO2 emissions per unit of sales as a common goal for the entire group.
Amplus is a technology-driven company. We are having a remote control operation for all the plants that we have, where we collect all the plant-related information as well as the environmental information remotely onto a cloud-based server, do the analytics in real time, give the access to our customers as well as for us to ensure that the plants are in operation most of the time and are producing to the maximum possible capacity.
Amplus has an in-house expertise of providing end-to-end solution. Our more than 75 people come from world-class utilities with vast experience of designing, building and operating solar plants. Amplus specializes in designing the rooftop power plants and its structures to ensure most optimum generation while ensuring the highest quality of health and safety practices. We work with our customers to meet their business objectives, and one of them required a carport to ensure flexibility to use its main roof for a possible expansion.
Well, as an individual and as chairman of Water Oil Tools, I felt it was our responsibility to worry about the environment, in view of which the obvious step forward was to go in for renewable energy, and solar energy was an obvious choice.
If you look at any client, you will find that electricity is only one of the requirements, whereas for many clients, the cooling requirements are there, heating requirements are there, even deep chilling requirements are there. This, along with backup power, these are the things where we strongly believe that Amplus will generate a very strong portfolio, and this will lead to us being classified or considered as a unique player in the energy solutions market.
Some of the unique structures that Amplus has installed include a 10-meter high steel structure on the top of a shopping mall in the city of Pune in Western India. The structure includes 30-meter long spans of specialized steel totaling 50 tons. The plant is now complete and will soon have a mini soccer field underneath these solar panels. Amplus is today one of the largest provider of on-site solar generation to commercial and industrial customers in India. A total of 30 megawatt of operational and under construction sites serve more than 25 clients across 200 sites and 15 states in India. We remain committed to meet the ever-evolving energy needs of our customers.